What's up everyone? Today we're taking a deep dive into the world premiere of the GRMN Corolla, which Toyota's calling the absolute pinnacle of GR Corolla's performance. This isn't just a simple upgrade, it's a track-focused machine engineered under the Gazoo racing philosophy of making better cars starting from motorsport. The project was driven by a strong desire from master driver Akio Toyoda, also known as Morizo, to bring back a Corolla that truly captivates its customers. To get this car right, the development team pushed it to the absolute limit on the Nürburgring, using the world's most grueling track to expose and fix every possible weakness. They also gathered crucial data from Japan's Super Taikyu endurance racing series, specifically using the hydrogen-powered GR Corolla as a testbed to evolve internal combustion components. Under the hood, the 1.6-liter three-cylinder turbo engine has been optimized for mid-range punch, with peak torque increased to 415 Nm, or about 302 pound-feet for the North American spec. The team specifically focused on the 3,600 to 4,800 RPM range to ensure the car has plenty of energy when accelerating out of corners. To keep that power stable during full throttle track sessions, it comes equipped with a sub-radiator and an intercooler spray system. Handling is where things get really serious. The GRMN Corolla has undergone a major diet, shedding 30 kilograms or about 66 pounds compared to the base model. To achieve this, the rear seats have been completely removed, making this a dedicated two-seater. The suspension features exclusive monotube shock absorbers, inverted at the front and upright at the rear, with internal rebound springs tuned for maximum stability during high G cornering. It also sits on high-grip Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires that are 10 mm wider than the standard version. Aerodynamics were also a top priority. The car features exclusively developed parts, including a carbon fiber engine hood, front fenders, and side spoilers. One of the coolest features is the carbon fiber rear wing, which has a 5-step adjustment mechanism that can be fine-tuned in 1-degree increments. Inside, the cockpit is all about driver focus. The instrument panel and front pillars have a special flocked finish to reduce glare and help you concentrate. Depending on where you are, you'll get either full bucket seats or semi-bucket sport seats. You also find exclusive details like Morizo's signature on the dash, Alamite reg accents on the shift knob, and a unique GRMN serial number plate. This is going to be a rare bird, available in limited quantities primarily in Japan, North America, and Australia. In Japan, sales negotiations are expected to start through the GR smartphone app in autumn 2026. For those who need more than 2 seats or an automatic, Toyota also teased a concept called the Morizo RR, a 5-seater version equipped with a direct automatic transmission. That's the breakdown on the ultimate Corolla. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.